the best SEO tips that you can use in 2020. Coming right up, there is something I need to share. There's something different about me. There's something different about me. In this video, you will learn everything from start to finish SEO related, and you will learn how you can grow from 10 clicks a day to over 1,000 users per day just from Google within the span of 1 year, and how you can actually get paid over $1,000 per month from clients. After the intro. So, first of all, why should you listen to me, a guy speaking to you on the internet that's giving out information for free on this topic instead of paying for a course or something like that right now? Well, first of all, I actually have results to prove that, and I have clients paying me over $1,000 per month retainer, and I can go over that in another video, but if you see my Instagram, you already know. But for my main e-commerce website that actually has over 10 employees, just because of the SEO traffic, I did the tips that I'll show you for free, like literally right now. But first, come with me. And to make sure no one can say that I actually faked the results, I'll be recording from here and here. I'm recording my screen here, and first of all, I'll obviously hide some stuff because I don't want you to know too much about my website, because if you know my strategies and then copy them in my niche, well, that can be a little bit dangerous. And at the same time, I also want to be transparent with you guys and girls, so you get me? So as you can see here, within the last 16 months on this website, at the beginning I was getting around, it will load at one point. As you can see here, I was getting 7 clicks, 20 clicks, 16 clicks, right? Average position 40, but I wasn't, getting that many keywords. And some people, I saw some videos on YouTube, people were happy with 1,000 impressions. That was, before I did most of the things that I'll show you in this video, I was getting those results. So if you're teaching about SEO and you're getting 1,000 impressions per day, I was getting that before actually applying this. So there might be some things that you can actually take away from this video, but let's continue watching. As you can see, 1,000 impressions per day. But right now I'm getting, sometimes 60,000 impressions, sometimes 70,000, and I'm getting, a lot of the time over 1,000 clicks for pretty much, above 800 for nearly 6 months now. How did that happen? How did I get from here, 10, 40, 60, gradually increasing to here? How did that actually happen? What changed? First of all, the first tip that I need to give you is choose WordPress. A lot of you people have Shopify, right? When you have a Shopify store, a lot of you guys and girls might have a Shopify store, but you gotta know that there are some issues with that. There are some issues that we need to talk about if you're actually using Shopify and want to get SEO traffic. So first of all, Shopify is great, right? For drop shipping, it's easy to set up and all of that. It's also perfect as a payment gateway that helps you, being that middleman for PayPal payments or for Stripe payments, Shopify payments powered by Stripe. So if you need a payment gateway and you live in a country where Stripe is allowed, Shopify is really a great option to go along with. But I had some clients that I took on for SEO and I'm currently taking on, and I know that there will be some issues going onward because there are a lot of things that are a little bit hard to change. We can still get the results as an agency, but the results might be a little bit slow. So first of all, if you're using a Shopify store, what can you do? You have pretty much 3 alternatives on the top of my head. So first, stay on a Shopify website and just build a blog. That's what I did for this client. The second thing you can do is have blog dot your website domain, and that blog dot, this part of the domain, this part of your website or whatever, you can actually have WordPress installed and just build it like a blog, like literally a blog. There are some issues with that because the SEO juice that you build for your product will not have the same results. It's a little bit worse to do that. From my experience, from what I heard. And the third option is to completely migrate and just use Shopify as a payment processor, but you know, that's a little bit tedious. Why should you use WordPress? First of all, the plugins. There's a lot of things you can do by just having WordPress. The basic plugins that you can use that have a free version, and you can, I'm getting those results with the free version, is Yoast, SEO or Yoast or whatever, however you pronounce it, and Rank Map. I use Rank Map because the scheme is really good when you're ranking number 1 on some keywords. It really helps to have multiple answers and have more screen real estate on the search results. I'll go over that, and if you want to know more about it, let me know in the comment section down below. But when it comes to schema, in free version, Rank Map works really well. A paid plugin that's $50 a year that I use is actually WP Rockets. In my opinion, it's a good plugin. It helps pages be cached, the images and so on, things that it's a little bit easier for people that have already been on the website for stuff to load, because the load speed and mobile usability on your website really affects your SEO. So what do you do? What are the good things when you have Yoast or Rank Map? With both of them, you can easily adjust the snippet, which is the slug, you know, the page URL. What I actually want to do as a best practice is to always have the keyword as the dash URL, right? So if I have the URL dog food and my website is ilovecats.com, I'll have ilovecats.com/dog-food, and then you can actually adjust it in the meta description. You can say something like dog food, and the title obviously, because that's good for SEO, that would be dog food dot the best, you know, choice you can make. Then the meta description, if you're looking for dog food, you should definitely consider some things that no one else would tell you, but we are telling you that those right here, right? This is a good meta description. Focus keyword, dog food. It's really easy to set up that with Rank Map or Yoast. I would always choose those when I have when I'm bringing on a new client. I would install those. A basic mistake that a lot of people made. I had clients that say, I paid for SEO, and then I look at the website. Obviously there's a lot of issues with it. Doesn't even have a sitemap, and it's not connected to Search Console. So if you don't know how to connect the website to Search Console, an easy way would actually be to get a plugin for that. But Rank Map can get you a sitemap instantly, and you just upload it to Google Console, and you know, if Google doesn't know the structure of your website, you're pretty much done. So getting a sitemap and getting Search Console is definitely a must. Writing blog posts and researching competition. So why would you research your competitors? It's pretty simple. If you've been on my channel and even only watched 5 of my videos, you would know that studying your competition is the best free course you can take. And you can study your competitors by just simply going to Ubersuggest and typing in dog food, checking your competitors, checking what blog posts they do, what keywords they target, how many you're getting, you know, how many blog posts they do per day, what's their domain authority, so you know how many backlinks you need to build, and so on. But when you check your competitors, you should write down at least 50 keyword ideas that you should make blog posts on in the next 1 year. At least 1 blog post per week is a good start. I actually do 2 for my clients per week for the higher ticket clients I have. And you know, for my own website, I did 5 to 7 on some weeks at the beginning. I literally have over 300 blog posts, and I'm targeting thousands, tens of thousands of keywords. I can go over that in another video. But writing blog posts is detrimental, and it's really good signals because it helps Google understand that you have new changes to your websites, things that are going on, things that are happening, and you really need to acknowledge that if you want to actually succeed in this game. By the way, if you're interested in social media growth, make sure you click the subscribe button if you want to grow your business, because if you do not do that, you miss out on valuable free tips coming to you live on Tuesday and Friday every single week. And by the way, if you like this video, you'll save an alien pet from Area 51, and everyone was really fired up about the aliens in Area 51, but no one really thought about the alien pets, which just boggles my mind. And they're just needed. There was a need for someone to step in and do something about it by asking you to like this video. On each of my videos, I try to give a chance for one of you so I can help you grow on YouTube, Instagram. To do that, you should comment down below something that you've loved about this video or something that you've hated about it, and you have a chance to be featured in one of the next episodes. For this episode, I actually have someone message me on Instagram. Let me grab my phone. So I had someone message me here.
Hey Nicky, how are you, brother? Look, I just wanted to say a quick thanks here because for the last couple of months you and your tips for YouTube, Instagram and Facebook have helped me and my clients grow exponentially. So for that, brother, have a good day and peace. Hey Nicky.
So definitely check him out. I'm gonna follow him right now. And he's posting some great content. He's mentored by Jason Capital, who's really big in our niche. Follow him on Instagram, follow his journey. And remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. See you next one. But wait, there is more. One of these videos should help you out. This or this one. Choose wisely.